I love you the way you are does not mean I want you to remain the way you are. It's a statement of faith. I love you the way you are, but it doesn't mean I want you to remain that way. Every woman, consciously or unconsciously, has a time frame in their subconscious mind of when things will change. But it differs from woman to woman. So when a woman is coming and say, the way this guy they go now, I think say, if I suffer with her within 2-3 years for blow. Some people will say 5 years. So when that time expires, so I'm suffering for 3 years. 3 years, nothing they show. 5 years, they will now shift. So because they have that, so you mean that now so good a day? You mean I'm going to just be like this all my life? Then depending on which age they are in again, if midlife crisis enter, plus all this comparison, na double wala. So what I was saying was that if I had the opportunity to do it again, I will not believe in that. To say, I love you the way you are, because I now got in there to realize that there's no romance without finance.